I made viral AI videos with zero experience. No camera, no editing skills, nothing. And the crazy part? I used simple, free AI tools to do everything. But before you continue, I want you to listen to this.
The day starts before you even open your eyes. Your AI already knows how you slept, what you need, and what lies ahead. Weather, meetings, reminders, quietly prepared for you.
In the mirror, it's more than a reflection. It's guidance. What to wear, how you look, what your day demands. Decisions made easier, not louder.
Even breakfast is personalized. Not just what you want to eat, but what your body actually needs.
Work doesn't feel the same anymore. You don't start from scratch. Ideas, drafts, code, AI becomes your collaborator, not your replacement. On the move, time isn't wasted. Your world stays connected. Messages answered, news summarized, routes optimized. Your body is no longer a mystery. Every step, every heartbeat, tracked, understood, improved.
At home, everything adapts to you. Lighting, music, entertainment. Not controlled, but anticipated.
This is just an introductory sample. Now I can turn any idea into a faceless video in minutes, and some of them are already getting views. So I created a step-by-step membership where I show you exactly how I do it, from start to finish. The tools, the process, everything simplified for beginners. If you've been thinking about starting, this is your sign. Join now and create your first AI video today. The link is in this video description.